Then the UK FTSE this morning. So let's do the DAX first. So I've got this A up. I think this is a B back. It's trying to hold this 50% retrace fib. It can drop down further to 12.089 and then up, but I'm still looking up here for the C wave of this A, 12.777 up to 13.015, and then we get the B, C, and so on and so forth. So nothing much to add to last night's update there. And in FTSE, we've taken out the 50% retrace fib. So I took another stab at this long there. I keep taking stabs at each fib with minuscule stops. I'm looking for 73.45 next, and I'll take another stab. I have got a set of fibs that project down as low as 72.95. So 2 more goes may be needed to get the swing long in the FTSE. But if you're using very tight stops, the upside's enormous. So that's what I'm looking for next in the UK FTSE. Okay, that's it. I will stay on now since we've only got 5 minutes until the non-farm payrolls, and we'll see what it brings.